Kung nagko-content ka para sumikat ang brand mo, sinasayang mo lang oras mo. Alam mo, when doing content kasi, maraming business owners look at what? Views. Pag maraming views, uy, gumana ng content ko. Uy, sikat na tayo. Uy, dami na tayong benta. Pero what if I tell you na you can get 1 million views pero still get 0 sales? And you can get 1,000 views but get 1 million in sales? Ibig sabihin, more views does not equal more sales. It's because not all views are the same. Kung ang content mo ay prank videos, dancing videos sa mga viral trends, what ends up happening is the algorithm will naturally show that video sa mga taong mahilig sa mga prank, mahilig magbabad sa social media, at mahilig sa mga entertainment. And this is the reason kung bakit posibleng marami ka pa ring views pero hindi sila nagko-convert into sales. It's kinda like nangingisda ka, okay? And the goal is to make more money. And meron kang dalawang kinds of fish na pwede mong pagpilian na hulihin. Okay? Una is tilapia. Pangalawa is salmon. Anong pipiliin mo? Most likely, pipiliin mo yung salmon ba? Kasi mas mahal siya. Mas mahal yung bentahan. It's in fact 3 to 5 times more expensive than the tilapia. Pero, paano kung sasabihin ko sa'yo na you need different baits to catch them? Sa tilapia kasi, tinapay lang, you can now catch a tilapia. Sa salmon, you need sardines. Kumbaga, if you can see, no? Different baits attract different fishes. Mas mahal ang sardines, pero mas mahal din na isda yung nahuhuli mo. Ang content, parang ganyan, no? Parang bait mo yan. Kung prank at sayo-sayo lang ang content mo, parang tinapay lang yan, no? Tapos mga tilapia yung mga huhuli mo. Maraming views pero walang bumibili. Pero kapag educational content ang ginagawa mo, parang sardines yan, no? Salmon yung mahuhuli mo. Possible, konti lang yung views, pero buyers yung nahuhuli mo. Now, how do you do this the right way ba? So, you wanna create content that solves the problem of your clients. For example, no? Let's say you own an aircon business. Then, instead of doing prank videos and whatever, just teach them the difference between an inverter and a non-inverter aircon. If you're selling luxury bags, you can just teach them fake versus non-fake bags. If you own a beauty clinic, you can share the mistakes of using skincare. Ngayon, I'm gonna tell you, you might get discouraged kasi konti lang views ko. Obviously, konti lang yung views mo kasi only a fewer people is interested in those educational contents. But it doesn't mean they're not buyers. Because people who are more educational and want to learn specifically with your bags, with skincare, with aircon, they're the buyers. And you might say, oh, maganda pag viral ako. Yeah, pero what you don't realize is the people who are watching that are not even buyers in the first place. And it is tricking you into, it makes you feel na, oh, my stuff is working. But what ends up happening is, sinayang mo pa lang yung oras mo. And that is content.